Hi friends! Today we are going to be adding two two-digit numbers, but we are not going to be using our place value discs. You guys have become experts at using the website and using your discs if you're in class. Now I'm going to show you that you don't need those at all. All you need is a whiteboard and a marker, or your computer. So let's watch as I show 32 plus 24. This is my first question that I am solving. Now I'm going to make a little chart. You don't need to write hundreds, you don't need to write tens and ones, but I'm going to do it to help my thinking. So now I'm going to make 32, and I'm going to draw it on here. So I know that 32 has three groups of 10. Count with me. 10, 20, 30. And I know that it has two ones. 1, 2. Now I'm going to look at 24. I know that 24 has two groups of 10. 10, 20. And four ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can clearly see my tens and ones for both of my add-ins. Now I'm going to add it together. I see I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 5 tens and 6 ones. Nice job. Now that you know exactly how to set it up, let's do another one. But this time we're going to make it even trickier. I'm going to show 19 plus 41. So I'm going to do my little chart here, and this is what you're going to be working on today also. And let's build 19 and then 41. This time, instead of writing 10 and circling it, I'm just going to do a little dot because that's faster. So 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 41 has 4 tens and 1 1. 1, 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 1 1. I see that my ones are more than 9 ones, which means I can make a 10. So watch carefully as I do this. I'm going to count exactly 10. That's important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to turn these 10 ones into a group of 10. I have no leftover ones in my ones place, and I can count my tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens, which is the same as 60. Now I know that 19 plus 41 is the same as 60. So let's do this with one of your problems today and see how you're going to show your work. You're going to see this same problem on your Nearpod. So this is how you're going to show it on the drawing tool. I see 27 plus 15. So in my tens place, I'm going to move this over here so it's not in my way. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to move very nicely, does it? Let's go, come on, move a little bit more. Come on, there we go. So I've got my tens and my ones. So I'm going to make 27 really neatly. 10, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to make 15, which is 1 10. And notice how I make a big space between my first addend and my second addend. So I've got 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Now I can see that I have a lot of extra ones. So think in your brain, what should you do if you have a lot of extra ones? That's right, I should make a 10. So I have to count really, really carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can circle my 10, how neatly I'm doing it, and I'm going to draw an arrow because I want this group of 10 to go in the right place, which is over here. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 42. Okay guys, have fun and make sure your drawings are really, really neat. Take your time. I want to make sure that you're not messing up when you circle your 10 ones and turn it into a group of 10. Okay, have fun.